next step. Here in this step we want to give you a overview and an interface explanation of the 3Commas platform, so you get a little bit more familiar before we setting up your bot and you actually have an idea on what it's going to look like when you're setting up your bot. So this is my personal 3Commas account. If we go to the left corner here, you want to go to trading bots and then dollar cost averaging bots. And I'm going to go to my deals in this moment. And as you can see here, we're making some good profits today. It's a very volatile market in the day today, and that is very good for our trading bots. Unfortunately, I cannot show you my current trading bot setup because we're working on something new, very special. It's really epic. It's basically trading bots on steroids, but we're gonna probably show you that in later stages of our program. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the right corner here, and we're gonna open settings, go to settings. Once settings is open, we want to switch on paper trading, and just gonna switch over the button, and that will enable paper trading over here. And this paper trading feature is very powerful because we can test all our bots or we push them out in the real world, as I've been doing in the last couple of weeks to create a new trading bot, a better one, a more efficient one. Or you want to tweak some settings, or you're not sure about if your new tweaked settings are not going to work well. But the one we're going to set up now is going to be a very simple, very robust, very low risk, and very conservative. But this is a great feature because if you don't want to drop your real dollars into your account yet, or you're not sure about this, you can just test this on the paper trading for 3 days. You're going to miss out on the profits because you're going to make them in demo mode, but it's an option, right? Because you get 3 free days on the plan. All right, so let's switch to paper trading mode. And then we're going to go to dollar cost averaging bots. Trading bots, you switch open. It's averaging. I'm going to go to my deals. And just to give you an overview on how this is going to look like. And as you can see here, we got our bots open. These are our deals, and yeah, this is basically what you're gonna see. You're gonna see a sea of red some days. You're gonna see some green, and this basically fluctuates. These are a couple different bots I just set up in this trading example. All right, so to explain this a little deeper here, we got the name of the bot, we got the amount of profit or loss we currently have. The volume, the status of the current bot, how many deals the bot has completed, how many deals are active, and how many max active trades we can have. Alright, so let's zoom in here a little bit. It will give you the execution price, your flat base price basically, the current market price, and then when your next safety order will execute, and that is 2% below your base price basically. And it will give you a take profit price over here. Alright, then here below we have our buttons. First is the cancel button, and what this does, it will cancel the complete trade, and it will also cancel out all the orders you have. So that means if you bought 1 Bitcoin, you have that Bitcoin. If you didn't want that Bitcoin, you still have that Bitcoin. You have to manually go into your exchange and have to sell that Bitcoin. So this is not recommended to click on, but it could be an emergency or whatever. It could be something you can use. What more recommended is, if you want to opt out of the trade, has the close market price button. That in this case here, for this trade, it will close it out on minus 1%. And in this trade here, it will give you plus 0.17% of the trade. So it depends on if your trade is in loss or in profit. Sometimes you see, this is not working out. I want to close this trade just in a 0.00. You click on market close. You have nothing lost. You have nothing won either. It could be a helpful function there. Then we have reverse bot. This is for more experienced traders. You want to use this whenever you say, okay, the market is going to reverse. We want to short the market now, so then you can switch your bot easily from short or from long trading, from the price going up, to short trading to the price going down. This is a more advanced feature that we're not going to go into now. Then we have edit. You can edit your bot. You can add funds to the bot, so you can increase the bot. It means you can make the trade bigger. And then you have smart trade, which is a very powerful feature. We're not going to go into this now, but if you're an experienced trader, this could be really helpful. And then you have refresh. If you click on refresh, you're just going to refresh your bot here, and you can see here the price moved a little bit. So now I want to explain you the parameters and the working of the bot a little bit by this schematic view. And I do this because then you have a better understanding what your bot is actually doing. Okay, so when we start the bot, it will do three things. First, it will create a buy order with the green arrow here, and that will give us a base price. And let's say the black line represents our base price. The second thing it will do, it will create a take profit order. And that means whatever our base price is, it will take profit 1.5% above that. And the third thing it will do, it will create a dollar cost average order, or a safety order as we call it. And that one is slightly bigger and 2% lower than our base price. So now let's say that our safety order gets hit because our price is moving downwards. And what that's going to do, it's going to create a new safety order once that gets hit. And that new safety order is 2% lower than the original safety order. And it increases with 5%. So our trade gets slightly bigger. So let's make that slightly bigger. But it also does, because it's dollar cost averaging now, our base price now moved down. And that means also our take profit also moved down a bit, because it's 1.5% higher. All right. So now let's say we again hitting this safety order. Automatically, of course, it will create another safety order 2% lower, and with an increase of 5%. So this one is going to be slightly bigger again. So now let's redraw our base price again, because our base price now must be somewhere around here. All right. And our take profit must be somewhere around here. So now at the bottom here, finally the trend reverses and the price is moving upwards, and that means our take profit is going to hit. So now our take profit is finally hit, we finally made some money, and after this happens, the bot is automatically directly going to create a new trade with a new take profit point and a new safety order. But that's not relevant in this case because we're going upwards. We're going to hit another take profit point. So all along we're going upwards. We're just going to take profit, open new trades, take profit, open new trades, and in some days you can make 10 trades in one day. And if you have 10 trading bots times 1.5% profit, it's 100 trades, 150% profit, right? So this is really powerful. There's small trades, there's small profits, but in the end it adds up, right? And then if we move downwards, the whole sequence starts again. And on the way down, we have 30 safety orders, so we can actually have a downdraft of 60% and still be safe. So it's pretty clear. On the way down, we're just gonna make the trade bigger, and bigger. And then once we take profit, we're getting a slightly bigger profit. And on the way up, we're making small profits every single time. And that's why we like a lot of volatility. so we can make a lot of money. Okay, quick note here, the next step is going to be only available on our website, including the video tutorial, so the link is in the description. No worry, everything is going to be free, there are no subscriptions or whatever, but just note we don't want these to get overcrowded, so the spots are limited. So make sure to be quick. Awesome, so see you on the website page.